This is the 20 ton per day flake ice machine before delivery. It's equipped with a Bitzer screw compressor, water cooled condenser. Okay, we will also make videos when we test this machine in function. Okay, let's wait for the video to show the machine's working performances. Hello, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machine. Today is February 23rd, 2022. Here we are testing a 20 ton per day flake ice machine. The machine can make 20 tons of ice flakes every day. It's equipped with a Bitzer screw compressor, water cooled condenser. We are now testing the machine in function. Here we can see the condenser is collected with the water cooling tower here. Yeah, this is the water cooling tower in function. Now we're going to check the ice, the quality of the ice flakes made by the machine. Yeah, this is some new made ice. Well frozen ice flakes with very good working performances. The best cooling performances. Very well frozen. And this is the ice making speed for 20 tons per day flake ice machine. With this speed, it makes more than 20 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours.